time for Talk because ako nga naman ang financial beshi ng bayan. I tell you the hard truth, so help me God kung may tamaan. Hey everyone! Welcome to our YouTube episode for today! Today we're going to talk about what are stocks, why do you want it, why do you not want it sometimes, Bonds 101. The very basic things that you need to know about bonds. Nakakapayaman ba ang pag-invest sa properties? Ayan ang pag-uusapan natin ngayon. This is one of the sexiest, I believe, na parte ng pag-uusap tungkol sa investing. Let's get right to it. Huwag na tayong magpatumpik-tumpik pa. Ang tunay na sexy, alam sa money! In this episode, we're going to try to tackle the financial empowerment. Patok na negosyo sa loob ng pandemya. A stock is a slice of a company. It's the great power of compounding, which is the best force in the universe. Sorry, Thor. Mas pogi ang compounding kasi sa'yo.
If you have one or two, okay na. Ako, I'm guilty of that. Sa bag, minsan.
Tingnan mo, Ed, yung buhok ko. Balita ko magaling ka mag-ayos ng hair eh. Super nag-enjoy ako sa iyong house tour.
Ganun tayo katanda.
Kaya nga ang tawag natin sa'yo ay Father of Personal Finance in the Philippines. I am so excited. Thank you so much, Marvin and Randall. Grabe, matagal ko itong pinag-isipan. It's so wonderful to talk to two women who are strong in their own fields, very different at that.
Are very sinful, but it's good for mental health to eat things that give you joy.
Sana all may ganun. Yung nagtitipid ka, tapos bakit ako nag-hotel? Gawa na tayo ng sarili nating hotel, di ba? So we're here with the Little Monkeys and we're going to talk about money. Bibigyan ko kayo ng 5 tips, okay? 5 lang, para madali lang maalala. Hi, Nicole! I'm so happy! Finally!
Oh boy. Yung dapat ganun. So,
This is called anchoring. Yung 30% off na to is 100% additional 28% ang inflation rate ng vegetables. If you're at that stage in your life na you feel that you really need a mentor, reach out to me. I can be your mentor. Thank you guys for always watching. Salva says, I really love you. I love you. Bye.